2-2 pitch. Grounded to first, off the glove, but Millwood is going to pick it out of the air and run to first for the out.
Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good.
How about that play?
Davis kind of rushed because he was going to try to get the ball to the shortstop to turn the double play. He hits the ball right in his glove, flips to Millwood. Millwood was already heading in that direction because he was going to cover on the throw back from Andrus to shortstop, and it went right in his glove.
How about that? It's a bad break.